Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Couple quick clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk through the futures market and how it all works. And then second, I'm trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using? You can find all that up at the top of the screen there. I'll also put a link down below. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to risk very little of your own capital, but you have a whole lot of upside potential. So if that sounds like something that you could find some value in, then certainly check out that link. And the one thing about the futures market that is nice is it's open 23 hours a day, 6 days a week. So these trades are coming from actually quote unquote last night when I made them. But right now it is almost 9:30 a.m. Eastern, and that's when the U.S. stock market opens up, which does give futures a bit more of a boost, although this was a nice little movement right here. But anyways, that was just my long way of saying I am starting slightly up here in the green, but hopefully I can add some more to it. So I will pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find my next potential trade. All right, well, we have had some technical issues. The market's been open for quite a while. Couldn't even log into my platform. But I think we are resolved. And right now, it's just dropping severely. In fact, I better go with just one to play it extra safe. Did I just not get filled, or? Okay, I'm in there. Okay, out there just for a small little trade, just kind of testing the waters for $16.50 there. Again, just very, very small. Testing the waters here. See what I mean on this one? I don't even have any candles yet. Candles here. I still have candle. Okay, no, still have those candles. All right, so yeah. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. All right, gonna go for a long here at the green line. See if we can get a continued bounce upwards. There we go. Oh, that was a nice one. So there we go, 124 on that. Still waiting for candles to show up here on NQ. Go ahead and pause. All right, now looking for potentially a short here, just trying to continue to go with the trend. Is down for now, so if it goes down to that red line, I will look to get short. Put out a couple of targets there just in case there's some sort of quick move to the downside. And if that red line turns blue, I am in. Oh, wait, let me exit out. I think we might have some. There we go. All right. We are in the game now here with NQ. Go for a short down there now. Only if it comes. Ooh. And let's look at gold real quick. This looks very interesting if it can come back down here. So again, we'll look to get short at the red line. But only if the price makes a move back down. So I'll go ahead and pause. All right, back over here on NQ, looking to get short at the red line. Really like this setup here. A bounce in a downtrend, but maybe this bounce is going to start to run out of steam. Like I said, I actually like it quite a bit, so I'm going to go a little bit bigger. Only if it comes down to that red line, though. If it wants to keep bouncing, well then, so be it. And I guess it wants to keep bouncing, so I'll cancel that out. Never mind on that one. Maybe some sort of trade up here around the 21 EMA. Gold still not really doing a whole lot. All right, I'll pause. In fact, have I even been recording? I think I hit. Okay, I have been recording. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm going to go bounce up a little bit more. There we go. I'm in short. I want to see this thing continue to come on down. Blue line is my entry. Couple cover or targets there for this thing to keep on moving down. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. Ooh, how did it not? Oh, boy. That's rough. Wow. So close to filling me, and then that. And account roasted. Man. Thankfully, that was just a prop account. I'll just leave it at that, but yeah, that's disappointing. Not that it would have really mattered had it hit that one, but I thought it was going to get the move, and it just didn't. So it is what it is. Thankfully, it was just a prop account, but still disappointing nonetheless. I'm going to go ahead and call it good.